Hey guys, my name is Real Crypto, and on this channel we talk about the hottest crypto projects and launches. And today we're gonna talk about a really big, in my opinion, extremely bullish crypto project. And what's great for everyone watching, we have an actual airdrop opportunity. So today's video I'm gonna show you how to actually participate in the airdrop, why I believe this project is bullish. But before that, I need to remind you that a financial advisor, this video is not a financial advice. Always do research, and let's check out today's project.
Get money.
Today, we are talking about a project called Mantle. As I mentioned in the beginning, I believe this is a really bullish project. Also, they have a really big market cap. But right now, everyone watching has an opportunity to actually participate in the project. And of course, I'm going to explain you why I think this could be a really big airdrop. So let's jump into the main page of Mantle. And actually, they talk about the airdrop right here because the airdrop is going to be of the Cook tokens. And they have a lot of these terminologies with the Breaking Bad, with the MF, like meth, and Cook, powder. All of these terminologies are right here, which is actually kind of fun, kind of meme-ish, but also this is a really serious project. So I think they really combine fun with crypto and also utilities really well. So first of all, they build MNT powered products on Ethereum, and we have the Mantle network mainnet. So build decentralized apps with exceptional UX, all while relying on Ethereum's unrivaled security with a high-performance Ethereum Layer 2 network built with modular architecture. And of course, if you want to learn more, they have lots of these buttons about the ecosystem, different dApps, governments, and rewards. Next up, they have hyperscale performance, so low fees and faster finality achieved by combining curl technology with a decentralized data availability layer, Mantle DA powered by the eGen DA technology and secured by Ethereum. Also, you can see right here the MF protocol. Maybe let's call them MF, not MEF. So MF protocol, formerly known as Mantle LSP, is the second core product of the Mantle ecosystem. Stake Ethereum and receive yield-bearing MF, Mantle staked ETH. And you can explore additional MF yield options on the Mantle network application. And this is actually the place we have to go later in the video to actually start doing the tasks, start staking the tokens, and this will help us get a big airdrop. Next up, we have a really important thing for the airdrop. It's actually the Treasury. So you can see the Mantle tokens, you can see the MF, you can see the USDT, and overall it's $2.5 billion, which is insane treasury. Again, this is really bullish, and this is why I'm doing this video, because I think this could be a really great opportunity, and not that many people online on YouTube are talking about it, meaning you can actually get a bigger airdrop. And if we're talking about the statistics, about the values, let's jump into socials, because this project also has insane community. So right now they have 850,000 followers. Again, this is a really big number. People are loving this project, people are using, people are following it. Again, this is really great for the airdrop. And if we jump into the coin market cap, so you can see right now they are sitting at almost $2 billion market cap. Right now we have a small sell-off, but you can see at the all-time highs it was even like 3 times more than right now. So in my opinion, the project still haven't reached its potential, so we are still really early. So if you want to actually buy these tokens, I think this is still a really good idea, because you can see right now you can buy these tokens at the bottom prices, and they're offering really great utilities. They have really great treasury, they have decentralized apps, and they're adding additional utilities. But now let's talk about the airdrop, because I think everyone watching loves airdrop. So right here you can see secure your share of 200 million Cook tokens by locking your MNT tokens. So let's click that, and we have all the instructions how to actually participate. So basically, their token is called MNT, and if you do simple tasks like staking and some additional tasks we'll talk about later, you're actually getting powder, and you can actually exchange this powder, or you can actually get these tokens as an airdrop. So really simple rules. And of course, what's bullish for me, that the token MNT is bullish. Again, this is really great, because you can see right now it's at bottom prices. If you buy it and staking, I think you're making money. And also you're getting additional token of the project, which again is really cool. And again, it follows their like Breaking Bad theme and kind of meme-ish theme with cooking, if meth, and all these other words like powder. So lock your MNT tokens on the Mantle reward station to participate in the next development stage of Mantle LSP and start accumulating Cook tokens, the future governance token of the Mantle LSP. So this is not just a fun meme coin, it's actually a utility token, the new utility token of the project. So again, this is really great because you can actually accumulate and get these tokens first. Again, this is really good. Next up, we have the time period for the event, and you can actually log their tokens here. And we have some additional information how to participate. So So in line with the release of the Metamorphosis, actually this is another part of the airdrop, on the Mantle reward station, we have introduced new features to give users ultimate flexibility and help them maximize their rewards. And also, if you already have MNT locked on the Mantle reward station B, you have to actually migrate to the V2. So the first of these changes is the introduction of an MNT power, MP. All users MNT holders on Mantle reward station will be indexed in MP. So actually, I think this is really good to actually simplify all these terminologies, and MP will be used to allocate to active pools. We also have to use fixed and flexible locks, allowing users to lock their MNT for a flexible period of time to help their boost MP holdings. You can see the days, and you have the multiplier. So 0 days, 1 multiplier, 50 days, 1.3. And if you lock in for 300 days, you're getting 3x multiplier. So again, it's really typical for staking. The longer you stake, the bigger the multiplier and the more you're getting. Again, I think this is pretty cool because, as I mentioned, if you look at the charts, I think you're winning if you're staking, and you're winning 3 times more if you're staking for a long time period, because I think right now I'm kind of this bearish period, but I think end of the year we're going to see some bullish movement. And of course, if you unlock next year, again, I think you're making money, not financial advice. And you can see also some of the examples how it all works. Next up, they talk about the Cook token. So Cook reward process. Once users have their MP, it will automatically allocate it to the Mantle LSP pool, as it's currently the only active pool. In the future, users will need to manually allocate their desired percentage of MP holdings into other active pools to accumulate additional rewards. And Cook token rewards allocated based on a time-weighted calculation of the MP locked within the Mantle LSP pools. Rewards will be displayed starting July 18. So basically, if you want to learn all this information, as usual, all the links can be found in the description. You can actually lock in your tokens right here, the button right here, also in the description. And again, you can just lock in your tokens, connect the wallet, and we have the period for the snapshot. Now let's jump into the MEF or MF protocol official website right here. Let's close some of these tabs. So they have the campaigns right here. They have the Metamorphosis, which is actually, again, really great campaign for the airdrops. We have the countdowns, 35 days. And again, it's really easy. So gather MF. So again, you can click right here, stake the tokens and gather these MF tokens. Next up, go to earn. So right here, how to earn. So you have all the simple tasks. So you can see provide liquidity for the MF USDT in the merchant mode. You can see 40x powder a day. Next up, provide liquidity for the MF USDT in Agni. Again, 40x powder a day. Also on the Ethereum, deposit MF in the engine layer. This gives you 5 powder per day, 5x powder per day. Again, all of these are 40x and 5x, not 40. And right here, you can click show more. You can see more options with different multipliers. Again, really simple instructions, simple to use. Again, if you go to the dashboard, all the links in the description, gather MF, go to earn, do these deposits and start earning. Also, we have the leaderboards. We have all the frequently asked questions. We have different quests. So you can join the quest, Mantle Master, Emoji Enthusiast. And again, these things will help you get more airdrops. Once you do all of these things, you're going to see all the numbers right here, the powder, and the powder can be exchanged for the Cook tokens. So you can see gather MF to receive powder and convert this to the Cook tokens in the future. So basically right now we have few different options to get this airdrop. And also we have a really bullish token of the Mantle ecosystem. So in my opinion, the project looks really bullish. They have big following, big community. They have huge market cap. They have big treasury and they're doing lots of new things. Right now they're building and we have a chance to get this airdrop. And in my opinion, this token also, from what I see right now, looks really, really bullish. And this is the best way to get it early. So guys, as usual, all the links in the description. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments or join my free Telegram. It's in the description and top comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you next time.
Get money.